Morning children. Today we are going to study integration of trigonometric functions. Lesson first question. Integral cos square x dx. Cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. We have the trigonometric identity cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Substitute cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx. Take 1 by 2 outside, 1 by 2 into integral 1 plus cos 2x dx is equal to 1 by 2 into integral 1 dx plus integral cos 2x dx is equal to half into integral 1 dx is x plus cos 2x is sin 2x by 2 plus c is equal to x by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 sin 2x plus c. X by 2 plus 1 by 4 sin 2x plus c. Second question, integral sin 2x cos 3x dx. Integral sin 2x cos 3x dx. We know that sin a cos a, sin a cos b is equal to half sin a cos b is equal to half sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Sin a cos b is equal to half sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. So, sin 2x cos 3x is equal to half into sin 2x plus 3x plus sin 2x minus 3x is equal to half into sin 5x minus sin plus sin 2x minus 3x is sin minus x equals half into sin 5x minus sin x. So this is equal to integral 1 by 2 into sin 2x plus 3x plus sin 2x minus 3x dx is equal to 1 by 2 into integral sin 5x plus sin minus x dx is equal to 1 by 2 into integral sin 5x minus sin x dx is equal to 1 by 2 into integral sin 5x minus 5x dx minus integral sin x dx, which is equal to 1 by 2 into integral sin 5x is minus cos 5x by 5 minus integral sin x is minus cos x plus c is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 5 minus 1 by 10 cos 5x plus cos x plus c. So, second answer is minus 1 by 10 cos 5x plus again 1 by 2 cos x plus c. This 1 by 2 is for both these expressions. This for this cos 5x by 5 and cos x. So, our answer is minus 1 by 10 cos 5x plus 1 by 2 cos x plus c. Third question. Question number 3. Integral sin cube x dx. We know that sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. From this, we find sin cube x. Sin 3x minus 3 sin x is equal to minus 4 sin cube x. So, sin 3x minus 3 sin x by minus 4 is equal to sin cube x. We split this sin 3x by 4 by minus 4 plus 3 by 4 sin x is equal to sin cube x. Take 1 by 4 common, that take outside and write positive number first. 1 by 4 into 3 sin x minus sin 3x is equal to sin cube x. So we write integral sin cube x is 1 by 4 into 3 sin x minus sin 3x dx is equal to 1 by 4 outside, integral 3 sin x dx minus integral sin 3x dx is equal to 1 by 4 into integral 3 into sin x is minus cos x minus integral sin 3x is minus sin 3x is minus cos 3x by 3 plus c is equal to 1 by 4 into minus 3 cos x plus cos x by 3 plus c is equal to minus 3 by 4 cos x plus 1 by 12 cos 3x plus c. Minus 3 by 4 cos x plus 1 by 12 cos 3x plus c is the answer. Then fourth question. For integral cos 2x into cos 4x into cos 6x dx, which is equal to integral cos 2x into, we take these two together in one bracket, cos 4x into cos 6x dx is equal to, what is cos sum? Cos 4x into cos 6x is equal to 1 by 2 into cos 4x plus 6x plus cos 4x minus 6x, that is equal to integral cos 2x into 1 by 2 into integral 1 by 2 into cos 4x plus 10x is, 6x is 10x plus cos 4x minus 2x is cos minus 2x dx is equal to integral cos 2x into, this 1 by 2 take outside, 1 by 2 into cos 10x cos minus 2x. We know that cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. So cos minus 2x is plus cos 2x dx is equal to 1 by 2 into integral. Then we multiply cos 2x into cos 10x and apply this rule again. Then this is cos 2x into cos 2x is cos square 2x dx is equal to 1 by 2 into, again we apply here 1 by 2 into cos 2x plus 10x is 12x, 2x minus 10x is cos minus 8x is 8x plus this 1 by 2 into integral cos square 2x dx is equal to 1, first one 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 into integral cos 12x plus cos 8x dx plus 1 by 2 into integral cos square 2x. What is cos square x? Cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Here x, here double of x into 2. Here cos square, next one is our question is cos square 2x. Cos square 2x is 1 plus cos. Here x implies if the angle is x, here 2x. Here 2x, 4x by 2. So this cos square 2x can be written as 1 plus cos 4x by 2 dx is equal to 1 by 4 into integrate each one cosine 12x by 12 plus sine 8x by 8 plus 1 by 4 into this one is integral 1 by 4 outside, then 1 dx plus integral cos 4x dx is equal to 1 by 4 into sin 12x by 12 plus sin 8x by 8 plus 1 by 4 into integrate this x plus cos 4x is sin 4x by 4 plus c. Here 1 by 4 common. Both the expressions are 1 by 4 common. We take it outside. 1 by 4 into equals 1 by 4 into sin 12x by 12 plus sin 8x by 8. This 1 by 4 also take outside plus x plus sin 4x by 4 plus c. So our answer is 1 by 4 into sin 12x by 12 plus sin 8x by 8 plus x plus sin 4x by 4 plus c. Now next question. Question number 5 is integral sin cube 2x plus 1 dx. This is equal to integral sin square into 2x plus 1 into sin 2x plus 1 dx. Sin cube 2x plus 1 can be written as sin square 2x plus 1 into sin 2x plus 1, and the sin square is integral sin square x is 1 minus cos square x. So this is 1 minus cos square 2x plus 1 into sin 2x plus 1 dx. Now put cos 2x plus 1 is equal to t. Cos 2x plus 1 is equal to t. So this is cos minus sin 2x plus 1 into 2 dx is equal to dt. So sin 2x plus 1 into dx is equal to minus dt by 2. Sin 2x plus 1 into dx is dt by 2. Minus dt by 2. So this is equal to 1 minus cos 2x plus 1 is t. So this is t square into sin 2x plus 1 minus dt by 2. Take minus 1 by 2 outside. This is integral 1 minus t square dt is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 1 dt is t minus t square dt is t cube by 3 plus c equals minus 1 by 2 into, change this t to t cos 2x plus 1 minus cos cube 2x plus 1 by 3 plus c. So our answer is minus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus 1 minus 1 by 3 cos cube 2x plus 1 plus c. Sixth question. Question number 6. Integral sin cube x cos cube x dx. First we write sin cube x integral, cos cube x dx into cos cube x into, then sin cube x can be written as sin square x into sin x dx. Now we put cos x is equal to t minus sin x dx is equal to dt. So sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Integral cos x t. So this is t cube into the sin square x is 1 minus cos square. Here integral cos cube x into sin square x is 1 minus cos square x into sin x into dt equals t cube into 1 minus t square into sin x dt is minus dt. Integral multiplying through t cube minus t raised to 5 into minus dt is equal to minus t cube plus t raised to 5 into dt is equal to this, multiplying throughout by negative sign. Then integrate minus t raised to 4 by 4 plus t raised to 6 by 6 plus c is equal to minus 1 by 4 into cos x is equal to t. So cos raised to 4x plus 1 by 6 into cos raised to 6x plus c minus 1 by 4 cos raised to 4x plus 1 by 6 cos raised to 6x plus c. Next question. Question number 7. Integral 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. Here 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2 and 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. using trigonometrical identities, 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2 dx. 2 cancelled equals integral sin square x by 2, sin by cos, tan square x by 2 dx. Tan square x by 2 dx is equal to integral sec square x by 2 minus 1 dx is equal to integral sec square x by 2 minus integral 1 dx. Sec square x, integral sec square x is tan x. Sec square x by 2 is tan x by 2 by x by 2. The integral of x by, derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2. That is division 1 by 2 minus x plus c. This 1 by 2 means 2 goes to numerator. 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. Next question. Question number 8. Integral cos x by 1 plus cos x dx is equal to, cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1, and 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. Integral 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 cos square x by 2 dx equals 2 cos square x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2 dx minus integral 1 by 2 cos square x by 2 dx is equal to 2 cancelled, integral cos square x by 2 cos square x by 2 cancelled, integral dx minus 1 by 2 into integral 1 by cos square x by 2 is sec square x by 2 dx is equal to integral dx is x minus sec square x by 2 is minus 1 by 2 into sec square x by 2 is tan x by 2 division 1 by 2 plus c is equal to x minus 1 by 2 into tan x by 2 into 2 by 1 plus c. 2 cancelled. Answer x minus 2 cancelled, tan x by 2 plus c. X minus tan x by 2 plus c. Homework 7, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. Thank you.